Welcome back to Hundreds of Tools. Each respirator or mask in this video will offer you different options depending on which specific functions, like being reusable, a full or half face design, meet your PPE needs or pocket best. Plus we have an extra this week at the end of the video. Our specialist team analysed a wide range of respirators and masks to make these recommendations based on different factors including product features, independent research and customer reviews. Check out the description below for links, info and the latest prices. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay up to date with the best tools, equipment and accessories out there for you. So let's get started. The reusable respirator coming now is the 3M 6503QL half facepiece respirator. This low profile facepiece has been designed to offer respiratory protection from airborne particulates and hazardous contaminants such as gases, vapours, dust, paint or aerosols when working in harsh, dirty workplaces. It is comfortable and durable, being constructed to fit securely with a textured silicone face seal and a cool flow valve that helps direct exhaled breath or moisture downwards, so it's perfect to withstand long hours in extreme conditions. The 3M Rugged Comfort half facepiece reusable respirator has a quick latch, so it's easy with just one hand to put on or remove whilst moving in and out of contaminated areas. Next on our list of recommendations is the 3M 6300 half facepiece reusable respirator. This respirator is also in the 3M 6000 series. It reduces exposure from a wide variety of work-based contaminants such as chemical handling, chipping, furnace operations, grinding, sanding, construction, general manufacturing, industrial maintenance and mining. It is designed to improve balance and visibility as the reusable cartridges are swept back so they are easy to disassemble, clean and reuse in numerous applications. The 3M 6300 half facepiece reusable respirator is lightweight and comfortable as it is easy to adjust head straps, allowing for it to be customized for each user. Plus it is perfect to use with other industrial PPE. The reusable mask coming up now is the Basecamp Cross Dust Face Mask. These reusable face masks come in packs of 2 with nanotechnology, 6 layers of filters. The carbon filter isolates non-toxic dust, airborne irritants and non-oil based particles at woodwork, construction, painting, sawing or grinding job sites. It allows the face to breathe in hot or humid conditions with a nose clip that ensures an effective seal, and a dual one-way airflow vent expels condensation so the face covered interior stays dry. The Basecamp Cross Dust Face Mask is comfortable and secure to wear with adjustable head straps, and it is easy to wash the mask shell or valves and replace the filter. Moving on is the GVS SPR 457 Elipse P100 Dust Half Mask. This is a lightweight 130 gram low profile anatomical mask, and it's designed to be really compact with pleated HEPA synthetic particulate air filters offering 99.97% nanoparticulate protection. It has an ergonomic shape for an unobstructed field of vision, easily adjustable headband, and it completely seals around the nose to prevent safety glasses fogging up. The GVS Elipse P100 Dust Half Mask provides comfortable, hypoallergenic, compact respiratory protection against dust, mist and fumes in your garage or workplace. Finally, the respirator that we recommend is the Parcil Full Face Respirator. This full face mask is designed to be impact resistant as it protects your face from flying debris and provides a clean air supply even after exposure to chemical or industrial vapors, gases, particulates or odours. It is made from high quality silicone for an airtight seal around your face. It uses air circulation technology to keep your face cool and ensures the lens never fogs up. Plus there are lens tint colours for different lighting work situations. The Parcil full face respirator is comfortable and cool as it will never collect moisture, with a speaking diaphragm slot that allows you to communicate even without moving the respirator. Today's extra is the 3M Personal Protective Equipment 8210 Particulate Respirator. It is disposable with a 2-strap design, cushioning nose foam and lightweight design for protection against non-oil based particles in smoky, dusty environments. Thank you for watching. Please give us a like and drop any helpful PPE tips in the comment section below. For more info or to buy the best one for you, check out the link in the description. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to keep in touch and updated with hundreds of tools.